Welcome students. Today we are solving the exercise 313. Okay. Now start. Exercise 3.3. Question number 1 is use the bar graph to answer the following questions. Okay. यहाँ एक बार ग्राफ दिया हुआ है और कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं तो वी हैव टू सॉल्व the given questions. Now first question is which of the most popular pet means सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर इसमें कौन सा पेट है. सो यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि कैट वाला बॉक्स है जो सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा है. इट मीन्स दिस इज़ द एनिमल्स नेम and this is the students who are pet the animals. So here first question is which is the most popular. So we are saying that the cat is the most popular animal जो कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे पाल रहे हैं. So first answer is cat. Okay. And second question how many students have dog as a pet. Dog को कितने लोग पाल रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर अब ये 8 तक गया हुआ है but 8. So answer is 8. Okay. Now though question number 1 cat is the most pet animal and 8 students have a pet as a pet. Dog as a pet. Okay. So this is the answer of first question. Now question second. One is also graph here. So question number is second. Here this is the axis of year and this is the numbers of book. Okay, this is numbers of books and this is years. Now question is first is about how many books were sold 1987, 1990 and 1992. इन years में कितनी books sold हुई. So we can say easily in 80, 89 the book sold is above 180. Okay, and 1990 so we can say easily book is more than 475. Okay, and now we can say 1992 so numbers of books sold is more than 200 means 225. Approx, it is approx value, not a fix but it is approx. Okay, so this is the answer of first questions. Now second, in which year 475 books was sold. 475 books किस year में sold की गई. So we are saying that 475 is the above of this, so we can say in 1990. Okay. Now question, next question, in which year was fewer than 250 books. 250 books से कम किस years में sold हुई. So 250 book first is 1898, 1989 and second is 1992. Okay, जिसमें 250 से कम books sold हुई हैं. Now question number 4. Can you explain how would estimate of numbers books sold 1989? So yes, we can say easily in this year the sold number of sold book is 180. That is here. Okay, it's here. Okay, this is the question number 2. Now question number 3 is here. One graph is also given. Now some questions are here. Firstly, draw the graph from the above informations. So here class 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th to 10th. So we are taking the class of in x-axis and number of children in y-axis. Okay. Now in 5th class number of students 35. So we are drawing from 135. Okay, and 6 120, so 6 is 120 in 6th class 120, so 120 is here 120, and 7th 95, so we can draw easily 95, 8th 100, so we can draw 100, and 90 80, so this is 90 and this class for 80. Okay, now we have to draw first a graph, bar graph, after that solving the questions. Now first question, how would you choose a scale? स्केल आप किस इससे अंतर ले सकते हैं? सो वी आर सीइंग डेट हेयर 10 का एवरेज 10 का एवरेज ज़्यादा चल रहा है, सो वी कैन से 1 बॉक्स इज इक्वल टू 25, मीन्स 25 बॉक्स को शो करता है. 1 cm is equal to 25 student. This is our scale. Okay, now second question. In this question have two parts. Now first, which class maximum numbers of student and minimum, maximum and minimum. So we are saying in 6th class is minimum, and in 10th class is in 6th class maximum and 10th class is minimum. So we are saying that फिफ्थ क्लास में मैक्सिमम है और 10th क्लास सबसे कम है. वैसे अपन यहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं, इन 5th क्लास मैक्सिमम एंड 10th क्लास मिनिमम. ओके, एंड स्केल 1 unit is called 25. Now second, find the ratios of the students in class 6 and class 8th. मीन्स 8th और 6th के स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में रेशो निकालना है. सो हेयर the number of 6th class is 120 and versus 180. Okay, now the ratios of 120 and 100 we can easily and find the ratio 6:5. Okay, this is the ratio between 6 and 8th students of 6th class and 8th class. Okay, now question number 4th is here. In which year? Here two terms are given, term 1, term 2. Okay, and some subjects are there, English, Math, Hindi. Okay, firstly we are draw the graph by given informations. So we are taking in x-axis a math, English, Science means subject, and y-axis numbers of marks. Okay, here two terms are given. So first term, marks of English 67 and term 2 70. So we are drawing the marks 67 and 70, same as draw the all bar boxes. Okay, now solving the answer. First question is, in which subject has children improve his information performance the most? किस सब्जेक्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा परफॉर्मेंस हुई है? So firstly we are drawing difference. English second term marks 70 and first term marks is 67. Sub difference is 7, and same as English, Math, Science, Social. So we get the information difference between two term, marks of two term. Okay, now question first is, in which subject has most improvement? The most. So we are seeing here which subject. So we can say easily in math subject students performance was more. Okay, according to other questions, other subjects. Now second question, in which subject the performance is less? सबसे कम performance किस में है? So some minimum most performance is SC Science. means social science, which is 2. Okay. Now third, has परफॉर्मेंस गॉन डाउन इन एनी सब्जेक्ट, किसी सब्जेक्ट में गॉन डाउन भी गया हुआ है क्या, बिल्कुल नीचे गया हुआ है, तो यस दैट इज़ हिंदी। हिंदी में पहले 65 था परफॉर्मेंस, अब 72 है, तो ये और गॉन डाउन। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 is again firstly we are drawing to graph to given informations. Okay, so here this is the graph. In x-axis we are taking the sports and in y-axis we are taking the numbers of person. Okay, now draw the bar graph given and from the given equations and solving the answer. Draw the double bar graphs choosing any appropriate scales. What do you inner form of the bar graph? Scale use करने का बताया हुआ है, so scale we can say easily this bar graph representing the numbers of persons who are watching and participating in the above favorite sports. Okay, in this questions, so this is the answer of second question, but about the scale, so we can say 1 unit is equal to 100%, means एक यूनिट 100% को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच स्पोर्ट्स इज मोस्ट पॉपुलर, तो कौन सा स्पोर्ट्स दिख रहा है यहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा, क्रिकेट, क्योंकि इसका ग्राफ सबसे ज़्यादा है। ओके, तो वी कैन से क्रिकेट इज मोस्ट पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट्स। नाउ सेकेंड, थर्ड, विच इज़ अ मोर prefer watching and participating in sports, watching and participating, so watching sports किस में ज़्यादा है, वॉचिंग में या पार्टिसिपेट में, दोनों में। तो वॉचिंग स्पोर्ट्स इज़ मोर प्रेफर्ड, देखना लोग ज़्यादा पसंद कर रहे हैं कंपेयर टू प्लेइंग। हेयर 2 types of graph, this is watching person and this is participating person. So here in question third, which of the most preferred, watching या participating, so we are saying watching is more preferred by the persons. Okay, this is our answer of fifth. Now next question number 6, here one bar graph information is given. Firstly we are drawing the graph, after that give some answers. Okay, maximum minimum, this is city, maximum minimum, again this is city, maximum minimum. Okay, यहाँ से ये सेम ये इस तरह से इंफॉर्मेशन है, इस तरह से लाइक दिस, तो आधा पार्ट यहाँ है और ये जो पार्ट है वो यहाँ का पार्ट है। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, विच सिटी हैज़ लार्जेस्ट डिफरेंस, फर्स्टली वी आर ड्राइंग दिस टाइप्स बार ग्राफ। ओके, दिस इज द नेम ऑफ सिटीज एंड दिस इज टेम्परेचर, एंड हेयर 2 scales, 2 boxes are there, firstly maximum temperatures and this is second minimum. Okay, now first is Ahmedabad, so we are seeing that the temperature of Ahmedabad is 38 maximum, 29 minimum. So here 38 maximum and 29 minimum. Okay, same as all cities we are drawing. After that give the answers. Now first question is, which city has larger difference in minimum maximum temperature, किस सिटी में मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम के बीच में सबसे ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है। तो बस बेसिकली वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर. ओके, and give the answer. So here Jammu has larger difference because maximum temperature 41 है मिनिमम टेम्परेचर 26 है और वैन भी डिफरेंस, सो वी गेट 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दिस इज द मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर्स ऑफ अदर सिटीज. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, विच इज हॉटेस्ट सिटी एंड विच इज कोल्डेस्ट सिटी. हॉटेस्ट और कोल्डेस्ट सिटी कौन कौन सी हैं? सो वी कैन से easily Jammu is, where is Jammu? Jammu is here. This is Jammu. So we can say easily Jammu is hottest. सबसे ज़्यादा ग्राफ इसको पूछा गया हुआ है. So this is hottest and hottest city due to maximum temperatures is high and minimum, we can say minimum temperatures is there. So this is Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore is minimum temperatures. Bangalore is the coldest city due to maximum temperatures. Okay, now third, name two cities where maximum temperatures of one was less and minimum temperature is the order. Now question number third, maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28 degrees Celsius and minimum temperatures of two cities whose temperature is higher than the maximum temperature as Ahmedabad and Jaipur. ऐसी सिटीज आनी है जिनका मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर बेंगलोर के टेम्परेचर से ज़्यादा हो. सो हेयर मिनिमम टेम्परेचर कितना है 29 है इनका और इसका मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर कितना है बेंगलोर का 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पार्ट 4, नेम द सिटी विच हैज़ लीस्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम. मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम के बीच में कितनी सिटियों में अंतर है सबसे ज़्यादा? सो मुंबई हैज़ लीस्ट, सबसे कम डिफरेंस किसमें? मुंबई में है. ये मैक्सिमम है, ये मिनिमम है. डिफरेंस किया 5 डिग्री. सो वी कैन से मिनिमम डिफरेंस Mumbai has least difference. Okay, now your exercise 3.3 is finished. Next exercise coming soon. Thank you.